How do I obtain healing capabilities? How do I cultivate and become a more powerful healer? Hey, whoever asked me that question, thank you. And everybody in our community is thanking you. You know, you're bringing me out. Thank you so much. Here's what I do. Because I just didn't know the answer to that question for years and years and years. I know it now. I feel blessed that I've been doing acupressure for over 45 years. It's now going on to 47 years. I'm in my prime, and we're lucky to be together to explore how do you enhance your healing capabilities. I'll tell you how. Practice acupressure. It's the number one most awesome thing you can do to enhance your healing capabilities. The more you practice it, the more you will have more chi in your fingertips. Because what is the practice? It's to put your see these little hands and fingers? When you put your attention into your fingertips, the more you do it, the more you can do it. And the more first, you're distracted. You're thinking about other thoughts. The more you can breathe and send the energy of the breath into your fingertips. It takes practice. Okay, so that's my first answer. Second answer is to train yourself to stay in the present moment. There's an exercise that I do. It starts with the words, now I'm aware of talking to you. I'm aware of looking at the windows. Now I'm aware of street sounds and the pitter-patter of the rain. Now I'm aware of my body. Oh, I just felt my breastplate. Now I'm aware of hearing my voice. So, as you're doing the dishes, do this exercise. As you're on the phone, as you're wherever you are, you start with, now I'm aware of, and you finish the sentence. It's a meditation on the present moment. It's an awareness meditation. Coming into the here and now is where our healing energy comes from. So if you're somewhere else, you ain't healing. Be here now, right? Okay, third, for obtaining healing capabilities, cultivate long, deep breaths and connect that into your body awareness. So I'm breathing in now into my heart, and I'm feeling it's a little bit tight. I'm just telling you what I'm feeling right now. And now that I feel it's kind of tight, it's kind of changing into being a little jittery. And now I feel a little tingling in my fingers. So the awareness keeps changing if you keep breathing and if you keep following your awareness. That's the nature of awareness. I want you to play with it. And the more you play this game, the better you'll get at it. The more you'll understand its dynamics. And this will enable you to obtain healing capabilities.